So I don't really have any idea what I'm doing here, but I think I can do a ladle. I think I can. I'm going to remove all this wood right here, and then I'm going to heat that section of the ladle and bend the handle up and glue the handle so that I can get it going up, and then that way. Is this going to work? I have no idea. Okay, now we're going to smooth out this profile. Pretty sure I did this wrong. The concept was right, but the execution was wrong in the fact that I now have grain run out going across here because the grain was running this way. I shouldn't have drawn the handle up across those grain lines. I should have drawn it straight along that bottom edge. That way I would have continuous grain running that way, and then when I go to bend it, it would bend up. So because if I try and bend that now, those grains are going to break along there. I'll try it anyways, but I'm pretty sure that's not going to work. But the concept is right. I just have to draw the handle differently next time. Well, I'm learning.
For those of you who don't already know, we have a plans bundle available for some of my most popular projects. So feel free to click the link in the description box below and see if that is still available.
Now we heat the wood to soften the lignin and allow it to bend. Is it going to break? Let's find out. So you can see that the wood grain failed, right, because of the way the grain orientation was right there. But let's grab a different board and try it again. That's how you learn, guys. Failure. Alright, so you can see we did things a little differently this time. Alright, grain's running this way. Gonna keep the whole profile of that neck and the flipper down on that flat section. Okay, that's working out pretty good. All right, well, I've got a hunch that this is not going to work. All right, well, there you have it. That did not work. You know, sometimes you just gotta do something nice for your wife. I was thinking like, you know, maybe send her out for a massage or something, but then I just heard this little voice inside me saying, nah, what she needs is a spatula, a wooden spatula. She would appreciate that way more than a massage.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video because I enjoyed making it. For those of you who don't already know, I have professionally made digital plans for all my projects. We have a plans bundle available for some of my most popular projects, so feel free to click the link in the description box below and see if that is still available. Till the next video guys, Samurai out.